Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your portfolio just got an LOI. The buyer wants data room access in 72 hours. If you're scrambling right now, you've already lost negotiating leverage. Elite portfolio owners maintain transaction-ready data rooms 365 days a year. Here's the exact 10-point checklist. M&A velocity in solar is accelerating. Average time from LOI to close has compressed from 9 months to 6 months for well-prepared portfolios. The key phrase is well-prepared. Buyers are conducting preliminary diligence before they even make offers. If you can deliver a complete data room within 48 hours of request, you signal operational maturity and reduce buyer risk perception. That translates to faster close, fewer retrades, and higher valuation confidence. Conversely, delayed or incomplete data rooms trigger buyer skepticism and give them ammunition to renegotiate terms. Your data room quality is part of your asset value. Point 1. Legal and ownership documentation. This includes entity formation documents, ownership structure charts, title reports for every site, real estate lease agreements or land purchase records, easement documentation, and interconnection agreements with utilities. Buyers need to verify clean title and unencumbered ownership. Point 2. PPA and offtake contracts. Include executed PPAs with full amendment history, creditworthiness documentation of offtakers, payment history showing no defaults, and any hedging or merchant exposure documentation. This proves revenue stability. Point 3. Technical design and performance data. Provide as-built engineering drawings, equipment specifications, and data sheets for all major components, commissioning test reports, energy production models with assumptions, and 36 months of actual production data by site with weather normalization. This validates asset quality and performance assumptions. Point 4. Operations and maintenance records. This is where most portfolios fail. You need complete work order histories with timestamps and closure status, all inspection reports with thermal imagery and defect logs, preventive maintenance schedules and compliance tracking, parts inventory and replacement records, and contractor performance data including response times. Buyers use this to assess deferred maintenance risk. Point 5. Financial performance documentation. Include 36 months of profit and loss statements by site, OPEX breakdown by category, CAPEX history and forward projections, insurance policies and claims history, property tax records, and budget versus actual variance analysis. This supports cash flow projections. Point 6. Defect and risk documentation. Provide current defect inventory by site with severity classification, remediation plans and cost estimates for known issues, warranty claim history and current coverage status, insurance loss runs, and environmental compliance records. Transparency on risk builds buyer trust. Point 7. Availability and performance guarantees. Include availability calculations by site for 36 months, comparison to contractual performance guarantees, downtime logs by cause category, liquidated damages history if applicable, and third-party performance assessment reports. This validates operational track record. Point 8. Permitting and regulatory compliance. Provide all original permits and approval documents, environmental assessment reports, compliance with local zoning and building codes, grid compliance documentation, and renewable energy certificate tracking records. Regulatory risk is a deal killer if not clearly documented. Point 9. Debt and lender documentation. If applicable, include loan agreements and term sheets, lender technical advisor reports, reserve account balances and sweep mechanisms, and debt service coverage ratios. Buyers need to understand existing leverage and covenant requirements. Point 10. Forward-looking documentation. This is your opportunity to sell, not just disclose. Include capital improvement plans with expected returns, technology upgrade opportunities, site expansion potential studies, and operational optimization initiatives underway. Show buyers the upside they're buying into. Organization matters as much as content. Structure your data room by category with consistent file naming conventions. Use version control so buyers always see the latest documents. Provide an index with document descriptions and last updated timestamps. Tag confidential items appropriately and set permission levels by buyer access tier. Initial screening versus full diligence. At ClearSpot, our documentation agent maintains data room readiness automatically. It pulls performance data from SCADA systems, syncs defect inventories from inspection platforms, tracks document expiration dates. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.